Hey guys, thanks for clicking on today's Easter fondant topper video. Now these toppers can be used on top of cupcakes and cookies. Certain toppers can be scaled up to use on cakes as well. I'll be using some molds. I'm going back to the Fondant Debossers, and I found this edible grass at Michael's, so I'm going to be playing with that as well. Now this mixture right here that I am actually putting in my molds is a fondant slash modeling chocolate mixture. I do have a video where I did make this. I will link that in a card, or I will put that down in the description box below. One thing I like to do when I'm using silicone molds with my fondant is I like to let them sit for a while before I demold them. That way when I push them out, they don't lose their shape, or the detailings doesn't get smooshed down. Just a quick note, as you see, I'm using my white food coloring marker. These things are amazing on super dark colors, but on lighter colors, as you see, you just can't even see the white. I should have actually used my pearl confectioner's glaze instead of the white, and then that way it really would have popped and stood out. But just lesson learned and note taken. Now I'm going to be 100% honest with you guys here. I started to use the edible grass. Now I believe the grass is made out of some form of rice paper. It really doesn't taste the best. I did taste them, and I don't know if I should have cut them smaller or what, but I tried to use it to make like the bunny look like he was sitting in grass with carrots, and I just did not like the result I was getting. Maybe I should have cut it smaller. Maybe I should have had some standing up. As you see, I was just trying to figure out how to fill in the space, so I decided to get some sanding sugar just to kind of fill those holes up. This one came out a little bit better with the egg. Looks like it's laying in grass, I'm sorry. But yeah, I just wasn't feeling it. I don't think the edible grass looks good on just flat, like big chunks like this. This is, like I said, where I feel like I messed them up. I like the sprinkle one better. This one came out super cute, plain simple. I love it. The little chick, I like the eggshell. Looks like it just popped out of the eggshell. Again, I am not feeling the Easter grass. Let me know down below what you think of it. I do like the sprinkle looks. I like the way that it definitely came out with the sprinkles. Here is the Fondant Debosser. Again, you can't really see the white, you can see it a little bit. And again, more Easter grass. This one isn't as bad. But thank you so much for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.